Hello, my lovely kids. How are you today? Hope you're all doing well. Today's lesson is about blending sounds. Do you want to see how we blend sounds to get words? Let's see how. Look, all of you, at the sky. There are many stars shining. Do you see that star? Wow! What's written in the star? It's the sound ah. What's that sound? It's ah. There's another star shining. Do you see it? What's written here? Which sound is it? It's the sound t. Now we have a and t. A and t. Now a and t together make the word at. It's the word at. Thank you for watching. We're done for today. Goodbye.